Well, today is such a beautiful and special day. I, Mambo Hathor am here to proudly announce to you that we have begun the Indigenous Voodoo University. Now, if you're a member, enjoy the perks. And if you're not, then you know what to do. Because from this point forward, everything that we'll be teaching you will be to get you to your God and Goddesshood. To do it in an indigenous way to bring us together in unity in all things Haitian voodoo, indigenous voodoo. AYIBOBO, BOMBE, I'm happy to have you on this beautiful journey that we're about to begin. So today, we are going to be learning the science of candles in voodoo. Now, of course, you want to make sure that you're doing things so that you can get the results that you want on your altar to communicate properly. So get ready, stay tuned, and let's go! Indigenous Voodoo University has begun. So today we are going to be learning the science of candles in indigenous voodoo. I, your instructor, Mambo Hathor will be showing you the proper way to make sure that you get the most optimal results and have the best communication possible on your altars with the Loa, with your ancestors, and whatever else practically that you'll be doing to manifest what it is that you truly need. Now here in my hand, I have first in my left hand a commanding candle. Okay, this is going to be what places the command, the intention to what you want or need to manifest. The second function here I have is just, again, your altar candle, if you will. Okay, this is the one that will go on the altar space in the beginning to make sure that you have the first base set in order to communicate with the Loa. We're going to learn today how to work with both of them. So when it comes to candle magic 101, one must know that there are many different ways that you can deal with candles. However, are you getting the best results? Are you truly communicating? And is your ritual actually manifesting? Now, in indigenous voodoo, my job, my goal, what I have been blessed by the ancestors to do is to show you the proper way as it has been given to me in personal experience, in what I know has worked, and how I have gotten to where I am today. And also for the future of learning for all of you. Okay? Now, the most important thing to remember is that the two candles in my hand, to the left, we have here the commanding candle. This is going to be what the command is, what you're placing your real intent with. Very important. So this is going to have a way that it is worked to give you those results. The other candle in my right hand here is the candle that is going to be doing the burning. This is the burning candle for the manifesting, okay, for the X amount of days. Of course, with these type of candles, this in my hand is a 3-day. You can also have a 7-day candle, which are a bit bigger, but nonetheless, this one is covered, it's in glass, it will be lasting longer. Your command candle will always burn quicker, but at the end of the day, this is so important on how you begin it. Because how you begin this and what you say and how you do it will determine how well the manifesting candle is going to burn.